Is your Sony A1 ready for its latest enhancements, but you're running a powerful M1 Mac? Let's get you updated smoothly. First, head over to the official Sony Imaging Edge website. On your M1 Mac, you'll want to find the Downloads or Support section specifically for your camera model, the A1. Once you're on the A1 support page, look for the latest firmware update files. Sony usually provides dedicated Mac OS versions, and importantly, they are compatible with Apple's M1 Silicon. Download the latest firmware file and the corresponding update application. Keep your camera battery fully charged. This is crucial for a successful firmware update. Connect your Sony A1 to your M1 Mac using a reliable USB cable. Now, open the firmware updater application. You just downloaded. This application will guide you through the process. Make sure your camera is powered on and recognized by the Mac. The application should automatically detect your camera. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You will likely see options for preparing the camera and then initiating the actual firmware transfer. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. During the update, avoid turning off your camera or disconnecting the USB cable. The updater will show you the progress, and your camera screen might also indicate that an update is in progress. Once the update is complete, the application will confirm it, and your camera will typically restart. Congratulations, your Sony A1 is now running the latest firmware, optimized for your M1 Mac experience.